Yeah.
And so we're going to talk about health. This is where we're going to focus on the real definition of health. And health is about building health. It's not about treating symptoms, right? And so to talk about health, we must start by talking about what controls functioning in the body, right? And so like, this is an easy question to you guys, but what's the one thing that controls the function of everything else in your body? The nervous system, right? So 15 days after conception, before your mom even knew she was pregnant with you, the first thing that comes inside you was your brain and your spinal cord. From there, nerves come off your spinal cord like branches off a tree. And every single cell, tissue, organ inside of you grows off those nerves like fruit on a tree. That is how you were created. That's how you run and function to this day. Right? So for anything to run inside of you, all that light has come from your brain, down the cord, out those nerves. That's how you digest your food. That's how your heart beats. That's how your immune system runs. Everything's run brain cord through the nerves. Right? And I think innately everybody knows this. It's like if you disconnect your brain from your body, what's going to happen to you? You're dead, right? Like nothing, right? So say we still have to disconnect your brain from your body. Say we disconnect your organ, and we take your heart, we cut the nerve off to it. What's happening to your heart if we cut the nerve to your heart?
It's gone.
It dies, right? Instead of disconnecting the nerve, say we put some interference on it. We irritate that nerve a little bit. If we irritate the nerve going to your heart, would you get 100% life from your brain if your heart is something less than?
Less than.
Over time, you build more health or disease in your heart.
Disease.
Would you feel it right away?
No.
Not all right. You will never feel it until you cross into the crisis stage, right? Because health is 100% function. When you start to break down, you start to develop dis-ease, you'll never feel it until you cross into the crisis stage around 30%. That's when then you feel the symptom, the crisis, the problem. This is why symptom model is so disastrous. You never know you really relate into the problem. Now, the spine's job in this is to protect the spinal cord nerves. It's like the armor for the spinal cord nerves, right? It protects three main areas. First one's your brainstem. The top 2 to 3 bones protect your brainstem. This is the most important area of your nervous system. It controls all the primal function. It controls digestion. It controls your sleeping patterns. It controls your heart rate. Everything that keeps you alive, minute by minute, is controlled by your brainstem. This area controls or protects is the rest of the spinal cord that travels length of your body and those individual nerve roots that come off the cord. And so to do it, the spine must have a normal shape. Everyone knows has to be the front of the back straight. From the side, you gotta have these 3 C shapes to it, right? How many C shapes? 3. Most important will be the C shape of the neck. They call it the arc of life, right? So you turn off the power here, everything else will get turned off, right? And so you can see the importance of everything being aligned properly, right? So the spine is straight from the front to the back. It's got those 3 C shapes to it. That means the spinal cord nerves inside of you are perfectly protected, which means 100% of life gets from your brain, down your cord, out your nerves, and you will run heal at 100% of your ability. So now, if you do start to eat better, you will see health benefits from that. If you start to exercise, you will now see health benefits from that. But it's the same reason why people who do eat well, who do exercise, still get sick, still get frustrated, still die early because they neglect the system that controls healing in their body and nervous system. It's like say you take all that whole gut healing bundle, right? And the whole gut healing bundle, eat a dance plan, right? And all the best foods, all the best supplements. But the nerves that control your digestion, they're damaged. Will you ever absorb or take the benefit of any of those things inside your body? There's no way, right? If the nerves that run your heart are damaged, I don't care how much you exercise, it is never going to change the way your heart pumps blood through your body, right? And so this is the importance of making sure everything's aligned properly because like structure determines function. So the structure of your spine determines the function of your nervous system inside, and your nervous system controls everything, right? And so the challenge is no one's taught how to take care of your spine, right? You're told to wait for the problem and then go run for a solution, an answer, a crisis, an emergency, right? And so adjustments are key to this, for sure. Like, and most people don't know this, but like adjustments, it's like brushing and flossing your teeth, right? Adjustments, you should be adjusted for your entire life to keep the spine moving like it's supposed to be. Because we do like things like sit all day, get in accidents, play sports, fall, whatever. And if we're not keeping the spine moving, it's going to cause damage, right? But for you guys, it's not just adjustments either, right? That's where the home care comes in. If you're not doing things to undo a lot of the daily stressors, the adjustments on their own may not be enough to get your best results. Because like, how many of you have a job where you have to sit? What do you do, right? Now, they say sitting is to the spine what sugar is to your teeth, right? So if we're not doing something like to actually take the stress off, we're fighting a losing battle. And that's where the home care comes in. It helps your body hold the proper shape of your spine that we're correcting with the adjustments. Helps you hold your adjustments longer, right? So if you want to get healthier faster, you got to do the home care too. It can't just be one thing, all right?